If you're not investing in 2025, you're already losing money. Prices are going up, the economy is changing, and saving alone won't make you rich. The truth is, you don't need a lot of money to start. You just need the right plan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing even if you're a total beginner. Welcome to Dollar Decision. Here we talk about simple ways to grow your money, build wealth, and stop living paycheck to paycheck. If you're serious about your future, hit subscribe and keep watching. Section 1. Why you must start investing now. Most people think investing is risky. But not investing is the biggest risk. Your money loses value every year because of inflation. Rich people invest because they know money grows faster when it's working for you, not sitting in a bank. Section 2. How much money you need to start. Forget the idea that you need $1,000 or $5,000. You can start with $20 in an investment app, $50 in an index fund, $100 in fractional shares. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is starting. Section 3. Best beginner investments, step by step. 1. Index funds and ETFs. These are baskets of many companies. You're not picking one stock, you're buying a piece of hundreds. Low risk. Long-term growth. 2. Fractional shares. If Amazon or Tesla is too expensive, you can buy $10 or $20 worth. Same return, just smaller pieces. 3. Retirement accounts, Roth IRA/401k. These give you tax benefits. Your money grows faster because you keep more of it. 4. High-yield investments with low risk. Treasury bills, money market funds, or bond ETFs are safer ways to grow cash. Section 4. Platforms to start, no experience needed. You can use Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Webull, Vanguard, Betterment, Acorns. Many let you invest with $10 to $50. Section 5. Simple strategy to follow. Use the 50/30/20 rule but upgrade it. 10% to investing. 5% to emergency savings. 5% to side hustle or skills. The rest covers bills and life. Start with $10 to $50 per week into an index fund like VOO, VTI, SCHD, QQQ. Set it to auto-invest and forget it. Section 6. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Don't chase viral stocks. Don't invest based on hype. Don't pull money out too early. Don't compare your growth to others. Don't wait for the perfect time. Time in the market beats timing the market. Section 7. How long until you see real results? If you invest just $50 per week. In 1 year, $2,600. In 5 years, over $15,000 with growth. In 10 years, $40,000 plus. Small money becomes big money when you stay consistent. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a starting point. Investing is not only for rich people, it's how people become rich. Your $20 today can become $200. Your $200 can become $2,000. But only if you start. Now tell me in the comments. Are you starting with $20, $50, or $100? I'll reply with the best investment option based on your answer. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe. See you soon.